Okay, modelers, this is my first building, HO scale. Haven't built a HO scale building in several decades. Just getting back into the hobby. This is Bud's Trucking Company. This is a background kit and good for a starter. So I'm just learning this. So this was a good building as a starter kit. You get a couple different signs. I use this Lakeview Bill shipping sign. So that's what it looks like. You can extend these. You can buy more of these and make them longer if you want. I left the I just attached the ends with some hot glue in case I wanted to extend this. But it's my first time airbrushing a building too, so I'm just learning it also. I used these Vallejo acrylic colors, dark blue and buff, some white gray, and just use some pastel dust to brush in there to kind of make the dirt areas, and little streaks on the doors. I just use some of this to be a weathering master, this little kit here for the kind of touching up the doors a little bit. But anyway, that's Bud's Trucking Company. It's a background type kit. Dirtied up the roof line a little bit there. It's pretty easy to build. Used a little bit of modeling putty for the cracks there. I did the two different style doors. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't have, but I just was looking for some variety. One's a boxcar style door and one's a truck style door. I kind of just did both just because I was kind of playing around. These little signs you have to cut out with a knife, stick them on there with white glue. Those were kind of difficult. But anyway, it's going to be a background building for my new switching layout. Eventually it'll go somewhere around here as a industrial spur. You get a little bit of extras. There's a little bit of pieces left over that you can make some other buildings out of or something. But there's the instructions. Pretty simple. It's a pretty easy kit to build for a beginner like me. One other thing to mention, I tried this low odor clear finish, this matte finish that a lot of people talk about, or some people have talked about on YouTube. It works good, but it's got a tiny bit of, it sprays thicker, so it's got a tiny bit of texture to it. If you look really close, it's a little bit bumpy on the finish, so I would go with these guys, the Tester's dull coat, which is now a Rust-Oleum dull coat. I just bought a box of 4 of these. This is a finer spray, so I'm just going to stick with this next time. But that's it. Bud's Trucking Company.